First Timothy chapter, this is the second part of that. But godliness with contentment is great gain. For we brought nothing into this world, and we can take nothing out of this world. But if we have food and clothing, with these we will be content. But those who desire to be rich fall into temptation, into a snare, into many senseless and harmful desires that plunge people into ruin and destruction. For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. It is through this craving that some have wandered away from the faith and pierced themselves with many pains. What was that Levite doing? He was wandering in the place of Israel, finding something to make his heart content. And then he found something, and it ended up being an illegitimate priest, teaching people a way to observe worship of idols against the law of God.